In this video, we will teach you about the process of engine oil service of Toyota Yaris. First of all, we have to lift the hood up. Remove the wall cap by unscrewing it counterclockwise. And locate the dipstick, pull it out and wipe the dipstick. Now you have to lift up the car. Using the wrong jacking method or placing it in the incorrect position could result in some significant vehicle damage. Place the oil drain underneath the engine drain plug. The oil drain pan should hold at least twice as much oil as your engine takes, so that none of the liquid will spill over. Unscrew the oil plug with a socket or crescent wrench. You'll find a metal washer between the oil pan and the drain plug. Remove this as well and set it on the ground next to you. Wait several minutes for all the oil to drain out of the car. Locate the filter assembly under the vehicle's hood. Twist the oil filter counterclockwise to remove it. Make sure the pan is still under the car, catching spilling oil. There will be some trapped in the filter that will come out when you unscrew it. Screw the new, lubricated filter carefully into place. The filter will generally say how tight to tighten it. Look to the specifications on the box for more specific instructions. Put the washer that you removed earlier back in place. Then reinsert the drain plug and tighten it back in the oil pan by turning it clockwise. Now you have to lift down the car carefully. Now locate the air filter housing and remove lid. And take out the filter. Replace if necessary. Otherwise, clean it and make sure to do it carefully to avoid any damage. After this, put filter properly in the housing and replace the lid. Now pour new oil into the car at the fill hole. Check oil levels by pulling out the dipstick. Now replace the fill cap in the engine. To stay updated on our latest content, like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.